Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change keyboard backlight color in Lenovo LOQ. First, turn on your Lenovo LOQ laptop and make sure you are on the home or desktop screen. Now look at the keyboard and locate the FN key, which is usually near the bottom left. Next, press and hold the FN key, then press the spacebar. This shortcut controls the keyboard backlight. Pressing it once will turn the keyboard light on. Press it again to switch between the available lighting modes on your laptop. Now, if you want more control over the keyboard colors, open the Lenovo Vantage applications. If it is not already installed, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Once Lenovo Vantage opens, wait for it to fully load. Then, go to the section related to keyboard or lighting settings. Here, you can choose different backlight colors, adjust lighting effects, and customize how the keyboard looks. After that, you can also create custom profiles and save your favorite color settings. This allows you to switch between different lighting setups easily whenever you want. That's it. Using these two methods, you can quickly change and customize the keyboard backlight color on your Lenovo LOQ laptop. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.